Oh, Bitcoin right now is crashing. Our last call was to buy Bitcoin right here, $25,000. It's crashing right now, costs $43,000. Guess what? We don't care for Bitcoin. Okay? I just made $93,000 trading altcoin pumps. Pay attention to this. Volume spike plus buyer power. Take a look at this coin right here. January 6, January 5 volume was 185,000, pumped to 2.7 million. Ó, blockchain blowers. Position the rank 1220. Crazy returns. Pay attention to this. Ó, this coin right here. January 1st, volume was $53,000, pumped to $198,000. Guess what? Go up. Ó, original bank. Take a look at the price today. Boom. One more time. Ó, this coin right here. December 30, volume was $18,000. Volume pumped to $66,000. Look, volume always pump before the price. That's what my soft is tracking. 3,000 coins right now. Oh, Forest Knife. Position the rank 2608, my friend. Oh, blockchain blowers. I shared this trade in the private right here on January 8 before the pump. We pay on this coin 0.004 and you sold at 0.02. This is the picture I shared in the private list. At the time when I shared this trade in the private list, the price was 0.004. I put it here, buy now at the price line and sell at 0.02. Before, after. Trade crypto time at gmail.com. I share all my trades in the private list. All you gotta do is to copy my trades. I make simple. I do the homework. Okay? So those trades I share in the private list are Synapse, Giant Mammon, Blockchain Blowers, Bank Original, Forest Knife. Overall here, $93,000 trade altcoin pumps. Pay attention. Price go flat and pump. Price go flat and pump. It's a calculation of the volume spike plus buyer power. Guys, feel free to reach me out. Also, we can trade for you. And I will let you know when you should buy and sell Bitcoin and the main cryptos. The main cryptos are here. We are tracking them 24/7 here. Track the volume. Every 5 minutes, the soft updater. I need a supercomputer to run so much data. I'll do the homework, you copy my trades, or we can trade for you. TradeCryptoTime at gmail.com. I share my trades in the private list because more people buy the same coin at the same time. Price up then faster. We trade together. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.